This is HTML lesson number 51. Now what if you wanted to add a checkbox or a radio button to your web page? Well, let me show you how to do that. We really should put this like this. All right. Okay. Okay. Obviously, this web page is going to have head tags, and if it has head tags, it's also going to have body tags. This also has title tags. As you can see here, it says my checkbox, so on and so forth. Okay, so let's do this. We have body tags. I'm going to tip this down just a bit because we're now going to focus on the body of this web page. There's your form tags. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add something brand new. First of all, we're going to add, paragraph tags. Now the next thing we're going to do to make our text readable on our web page, we're going to add font tags. And I'm sure you remember these. Okay? Now, in order to use the font tag, we have to add an attribute. And this time we're going to say size equals 12 point. Okay? Then we're going to go over here and we're going to type in dog. Okay, that'll be the first thing that will appear. Now then, what we want to do next. All right. First we had the opening and closing paragraph tags. Then we had the opening and closing font tags. We placed the size attribute inside the opening font tag. We have placed dog right here. Now we have input type equals checkbox. Don't forget your equal sign. Don't forget your quotation marks. Okay? Now then, next thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of this. We're going to hit Control C. We're going to hit Control V because this is copy and paste. And then we're going to type in the word cat right here. So this one, we have copied this whole line right across here and pasted it here, but instead of dog being in here, we're going to have cat now. Okay? So now we have dog and we have cat. Okay. And my camera is falling down. Let's turn this around like that. Now then, let's go ahead and save this. We're going to hit File. We're going to hit Save As. This time we're going to type in checkbox.html. Where are we saving this to? We're saving this. We're going to open up the My Documents folder. We're going to open up the HTML student folder, and that's where we're going to save this. Okay. And then once again, we're going to open up the HTML student folder. Where's the HTML student folder? It's in the My Documents folder. Okay, we're going to double click checkbox.html. And as you can see here, we have a dog and we have a cat. You can actually click these check boxes. As you can see right there are check marks now in the check boxes. Okay. Now we could have simply just used the BR tag, okay? And we'll go ahead and change that in just a second here. But anyway, that's what you can do there. Now then, let's go ahead and I'm going to do this. That way we don't have to have the second set of paragraph tags. Now then, as you can see here, what we did was we put the BR tag here in front of this last paragraph tag, and then it'll just drop it down. Now then, you say, well, okay, we have just added ourselves a checkbox. What about if we want to add a radio button? Okay, well, we can do that. Now then, let's copy and paste this. As you can see here, this line is now identical to this line here, but we're going to change this a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this to okay, so we're going to change the word dog to male, and then we're going to change this right here. It's not going to be checkbox anymore. It's actually going to be radio. So we're going to delete checkbox and type in the word radio. As you can see there, we've typed in the word radio. Okay. Now then, we're going to go ahead and highlight this line right here. See how we've highlighted it? We're going to Control C, and then we're going to Control V. This time we're going to eliminate the paragraph tags. And then we're going to type the word female right there. Okay. Now then, let's go ahead and save this. And let's once again open up the HTML student folder. Where is the HTML student folder? It is contained within the My Documents folder. Okay. Alright. And there you go. There's your radio buttons. You can click that one there, and you can click that one there. You can even set this up, and we're going to show you how to do this later on, where you'll click one or the other. You won't be able to click both. Okay? You can do that too. Alright. And now you know how to add checkboxes and radio buttons to your web page. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.